Hi guys, we're just out for a walk, doing your exercise as you need to do in this lockdown. We're out now in the Worcestershire Nature Reserve, which is Kidderminster, based behind the safari park, and it's not too cold now. This morning it was about -2 when I went out first of all, but now it's probably about 4 degrees. We're just having a little stroll out and seeing what's going on in the wild. Crunchy, crunchy under my feet. It's so crunchy because it's winter. Snow and ice. Not that nice. Not that nice when you got to work in it. Oh, shiver my timbers. Now this looks a bit treacherous. If I just look down now, this looks like one of those bobsleigh runs, right? I think if we'd come earlier, we'd be sliding down here like a bobsleigh. I just hope we don't slide now, so let's keep watching. Any second now, is he gonna go? He better not flipping go. Going very gingerly, funny enough, but perhaps I'll have fun. Here we are, we're at the bottom. We've reached, yes, we've reached the bottom. It's very sandy now, we're safe. Safe. So, where are we now then? This looks great, doesn't it? Look at that. Look at that big sunshine up there. Wow. That's lovely, I think. Now, I don't know if you can see that mound ahead. I've mentioned it in previous films. That's called Devil's Spitful. Devil's Spitful. Right ahead now, behind them trees, there's a mound. Now, legend has it that the devil stuck his fork into the ground, and up rose the mound that you see there. Yes. We'll have a closer look in a bit. But there you go. Now that sky looks scary, Mary. I don't like the look of that. I hope it's going to be snow and it's not going to be rain, because don't want to get wet, and I've got all my equipment out. And well, technical equipment, electronics we're talking. And obviously it's cold, you wouldn't want to get the other equipment out, because flipping heck, that'd be just stupid and wrong. But yeah, we're out and about, and see where we go. Right, yeah, it started to snow now. Got some big grey clouds behind us, and ironically the snow seems to be coming from in front, which is daft. Don't know what's going on there, but I think it's going to be severe if it does. Yeah, we're hoping to head down to Bewdley, time allowing and weather permitting, to have a look at the River Severn, because I think the flood defences are up and there might be some dramatic activity going on, so that'd be quite a little adventure that we've planned on our little escapade. Now there's Devil's Spitful right in front. Okay, and I'll just flip the camera around. Yeah, Devil's Spitful in. Okay, just see up the top there. Yeah, so hope the camera lens is all right. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is we're going to head up there to Devil's Spitful, and we'll see what the view's like up the top. That'll be really good. Oh yeah, it'll be really good. Do you want to go up there, Luce? Oh, she's not with me today, obviously. I'm on my own because I'm filming. But we'll see how safe it is. Quite crunchy under the foot here, the snow. I don't know if you can hear it, it's crunching, you know, the proper crunch sound. You've had a good dose of it. Now, there's the steps, and there is where we're going up. This is good for your thighs, good exercise. I just hope it's not too slippy. Boom, 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 boom. Up we go, up we go. Oh, yeah. Now, you probably can't get the sort of judge the height and distance and angle that we're going at, but I can assure you this is like, it's like walking up a bleeding roof. Woo! It's proper like 2 foot strides on average as we go up. Oh yeah, talk about excessive climbing. Let's have a little spin round now, have a look at where we are so far. The nature reserve. Yeah. Upwards and onwards, they say. There was a big step there, I don't know what happened there. Woo! Blimey O'Reilly. Up we go. Up, up and away. Woo! It's a good job I'm lightweight. Where are we now? Let's have a look there. Panning around. Okay. There's a house there, look. Stands out, doesn't it, that house? Goosh. Carry on, love. Oh. This is high. This is high. 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 Yeah. Now, we're on the Devil's Spitful. And we're virtually at the top. You see the sandstone? Just panning around there. Let's have a look at this little bit here, look. If I can show you, in the very, very far distance, you might be able to see some buildings. The yellow, it's like a roof structure. That is the West Midlands Safari Park. If I come round, it's up the Devil's Spitful. Right, we're going to walk across the ridge of Devil's Spitful. If I can sort the camera out. That's it, that's it. And then, let's see what's down here. Last time we were here was in the summer of 2019, mate. Oh, look at that, look at that. You know, lovely landscape, unusual. Just mounds up from nowhere. It just appears in the middle of nowhere, a big mountain of rock. There's actually a cave if you look towards the end. There's a cave right below the last bit of the walk at the ridge. Below that last bit there is a cave carved in. Now normally I'd be able to get into it, but because of the ice I don't think it's going to be wise. Where's Grasshopper? So here we go. Having a picnic. And yeah, we'll have a look at the view. And then we'll head back down. Probably end up in Bewdley Flooding. Careful you don't drop off the blooming edge. There you go, it's Bewdley over that way. Yeah. Fields, distance. So there you go. The safari park's over there, there's some buildings. Right, we're off then. I've got to be careful I don't slide, because I normally do. You know what I mean? beware my devil worshippers. They're coming, they're coming. Oh my god. Or should we just like, well, just wait for them really. While we're waiting, I'll have a little slurp. Got a bit of orange juice. So a bit of orange. Oh, they're going to take forever. I think they've had the vaccination. They're taking forever. Oh dear. Still look at the drop down there. Humpty Dumpty. You wouldn't want to be him up here because he'd fall off. Well, if you can see the distance through the trees. Let's zoom in further. Let's zoom in. Oh, that's brightness. That's the wrong button. That'll do. Yeah, it's starting to snow. It's starting to snow. Here we go. I'm going to go in there.
Okay. Yeah, she was asking if I was going to be there on Monday when they could take those photos. Well, so I rang Vicky to see if I could go, so she didn't.
Watch it, proper slippy stuff.
I was there and not her. So yeah, Vicky said that's fine for me to leave work to go over.
Nasty pasty. He's nice, isn't he? You don't often see a pony. What's his name?
This is Fran.
Hello, Fran. He's a love. She's lovely. Yeah, of
yeah,
course.
yeah.
The name Fran.
Yeah, she's a therapy pony.
Oh right,
So
okay.
we're just out for a bit of a walk.
Lovely jubbly. That's a nice day for it, apart from the wet, splashy puddles.
Yes, yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah.
That's great.
All right.
See you, Fran. See you now. Must be worth something, llama plop. Yeah, this is just on, we're just on the way into Bewdley. Walk through the nature reserve, and look what we found, some llamas. And it looks like they're starting up a little campsite here, which is good fun if you've got a caravan. And it's right by the River Severn. So we're going to have a little bit further exploration, get down to the river, and then, yeah, here we are, look. Looking at the llamas, crazy or what? And there's a man collecting poo. I wonder if it's like dolphin poo, or is it dolphin sick? I don't know. They're worth more than gold. Interesting. Here he is, look. poo collecting. Oh, I'm the poo collector. Oh, why is that going up and down like that? Anyhow, onwards and onwards. Right, just heading down now. Oh, goodness gracious, we just got to the end of the footpath, which if you turn right takes you to Bewdley. And as you can see, the path is submerged. There is no way left or right for us to go. That is the end, and there is the river in full force. Now, how can I get out of this situation? I could go up these steps, which takes you up to the bypass, and there's the bridge. So what we'll do is I'll try and get through here. It's a bit dodgy, right, because there's quite a current going. There's only a small little stepping area, so and I'll probably go in me. So let's have a look down there then. There's the river. There's the footpath that will take you to Bewdley, and obviously it's a no-go zone. And you can see the currents, it's just crazy. If you look underneath, that's the bypass that takes you around Bewdley. If you look at the full flow of that river there, if I can zoom in a bit as well, that'd be pretty cool. Let's see how much I can zoom in, just to give you a full sort of appreciation of the power of the flow. I mean, that's quite a flow, isn't it? If you must admit, that's not messing around at all. That's a good flow, that is. So there you go. We'll just go back to normal zoom. There we go. Yeah, so we'll have to go the roadway now to Bewdley. So catch you later. Yeah, we're just heading down some dodgy pathways, trying to get to the river because it's all police taped off. But I didn't know there was a path here. It's quite exciting. Where does it go? Let's have a look through there a second so you can just get an idea of the field of direction we're heading. Yeah. So you can't get round the other way. Ah, I know where we are. I do. Ah, is that war memorial? I'll have a look at that. Got a plaque. Is there anything there? Let's have a look. Should be a plaque. Any veterans out there? We've got that there. Some sort of memorial plaque in Bewdley. Well, bear right. Left, sorry. Should bring us down to the back of the Black Boy, is it? Yeah. I don't know if we get across here, it might be flooded out. But we can have a look, can't we? into the day. Ah, there you go, got a lifeboat. There's the black buoy, probably yet to be changed because of political correctness. Oh, hello, hello, what's going on here then? Road closed. You're the marshal. How you doing? All right. Yeah. Yeah. We're just going to go and look at the water from that side. Yeah. Come on, mate. It's all right. I've got authorisation. I've got pass. Come on, Babs. You got pass. Yeah. It's very good. Don't listen to anything they say. Yeah, whatever you can. That's pumps, look. Stand back. That's pumping the water out the cellars. Yeah. It's pumping the water out, you can see. We've got water bags here, look. Yeah, you could have driven it up there, couldn't you? Who owns that car? Insurance job, if ever.
If they'd have moved like that there, that'd have been alright.
You can't? You can't. I don't know. We'll have a little think on it. Do not cross or you will be punished. Punished. You will be punished. Gulag. Excuse me, is there any way to the other side?
No. I only drive in at the bypass. And
Okay.
yeah, you can walk through normally, but...
No, go on foot.
Yeah.
Okay. Righto. Thank you.
Right.